Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this smart TP-Link smart Wi-Fi bulb that is, as you can see in front of you, there is TP-Link smart Wi-Fi bulb, LED bulb that you can use and set up. But how you can set up? Today in this video we are going to letting you know that how you can set up this smart bulb. So watch the video till the end. Before watching the video, we have provided a link and app name in the description below. You can download that app from there, and after that you can set up this device. But how you can set up, watch the video till the end and learn how to set up this TP-Link smart LED bulb. So just install that bulb over there, as you can see in front of you, and when you switch off and start the bulb, it should be go into the blink mode. When we switch it on, it blinks for 1 to 3 times, I mean almost 3 times. The app is a little bit look like this, as you can see in front of you, that is Casa app. And I'm going to open this. When we open, first of all we will be asked about our account and other things. Now it's showing that welcome to home to Casa, and you can see over there in below there is asking you about create an account. If you don't have an account, then you have to create an account. Now I have an account. If you don't have account, then click on over here and you have to enter your email address, your password and your location, I mean in your country, and you have to click on this current create account. Then you will receive a email on your email address. Then from your email you have to click on activate account. Then after activating, you have to just go to this login option off, and then you have to enter your email address and password, and you have to click on this login button, login icon over there, and it is going to be login into your account. As you can see, you have been logged into your account, and after that you have to just click on this button over here showing plus icon over there. You have to click on this plus icon. After that you will able to find many options like this, and from there you have to just choose on this device option. After that you will find many options like this, and from there you have to just choose smart lights over there. You have to click on this, and after that it will be ask you about the which bulb you are using, which smart bulb you have, and my one is from series LB100. Then I'm going to choosing this option over there, and it saying that your device should be in the properly set up in the holder, and it should be on position. As you can see, it says that when you switch on your light, it should be blinked for 3 times. Then you have to just click on this next icon if your device is blinked, and then you have to give permission to the Wi-Fi location and other things. Then you have to click on this allow icon, and then you have to give permission for everything. Now as you can see in front of you, the Casa has been detected your devices, and now you will be able to connect from this connect button. For a few seconds it's just searching for the device properly, and as you can see, now you have to click on connect. Otherwise you can choose from Wi-Fi icon over here, and you can easily change your Wi-Fi too. From here you have to choose that TP-Link smart bulb Wi-Fi ID. After that you will be asked to choose your Wi-Fi. Then you have to choose your Wi-Fi on the Wi-Fi, and after that will be ask you about the password of your Wi-Fi on which you want to connect this with. Then I'm going to adding my password, and after entering my password I'm going to click on this join icon. When I click on join icon, it says cannot connect to your Wi-Fi. Then just you have to go to open setting, and then you have to choose your Wi-Fi, and after that it will start connecting to your smart bulb and creating your home network. And in few seconds your device will be set up with that, and will be asked you about the device name. I'm going to just giving name to that. I'm just giving a light and you can use anything wherever you want to use that device. Then click next, and that next will be ask you about the icons which you want to choose for your smart bulb, and where are you using. You can choose easily from any device, and I'm using in this icon and clicking on shape. You can use any. And now your congratulations has been shows, and that means your device has been set up, and you have to just click on sounds good. After that your device will show up over here. Now you can easily switch off your device from over here, and after you can control this device, you have to just click and get started, and you can easily on and off, as you can see behind me. Hope you understand that how you can set up this device. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Live with us, keep learning how to do it.